Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here with Lorcan. Lorcan, we are on top of a gantry here for a lot of concrete that's going down on this road project. Tell me a little bit about what the project's all about and how detailed this is that we need to go through.
Sure, yeah, this is the Mamre Road Upgrade project. It began roughly 12 months ago. We are including additional lanes on the northbound and southbound carriageways, extending an entire new carriageway on this side and additional lanes on that southbound side currently.
Yeah.
As you can see, currently we're in the throes of concrete, a lot of concrete.
Yeah.
Seymour Whyte machine, so Seymour Whyte program expedited based on the machinery they can bring to site, which is a huge advantage.
So you are also able to fly a drone. So, you've been able to follow this and collect data. And, when we look at data nowadays, we can collect it from the ground. You're using Lorcan Geosystems total stations here. But from the air, it allows us to also do a lot of project management work. And that all that information is going into 12D Synergy. How does that help you when you're managing this sort of project?
The ability the drones provide is phenomenal, really. The last number of years has been huge increases and huge advances in technology, particularly around photogrammetry. So the use of drones, we're contractually obliged to fly photogrammetry twice a month and videos once a month. The output from the drone is phenomenal. So I fly the drone twice a month for photogrammetry and once a month for video, predominantly for aerial imagery, but it also surveys the entire site. So the survey is used for volumes, particularly mass hole is another reason, so we can calculate what material has moved where it's going to, where it's come from, what additional material we need to bring to site, which is highly advantageous for numerous reasons. One being safety.
Yeah.
So that would have been done typically by surveyors running around in the field, which, not that it's unsafe, but it's time consuming, it's less efficient, and you're exposed to large scale machinery. So the drone has the ability to fly the entire site in a number of hours, which means there's no material loss, so to speak, in that material being moved from A to B whilst the survey is being undertaken. So it's an accurate snapshot, which is reassuring to ourselves and to the client that the volumes we're producing, the mass hole we're showing, is accurate and true. Also, the video, it's particularly useful. Keep the community informed in terms of what's upcoming in terms of program and whatnot.
Yeah.
People are visual learners. People like to see videos, photogrammetry, and the photogrammetry itself. So we produce an aerial image that gets updated every 2 weeks. That aerial image is really useful in terms of program. We are contractually obliged to do it, but it is hugely advantageous, and I can only see the technology improving further over the next couple of years, which is quite exciting.
And all of that's being shared in the cloud with the 12D Synergy platform you're using as well, so everybody can see it. Even the stakeholders can get access to that information. That's critical, isn't it, for everybody to understand?
It is. The client transport, as I say, there are expectations contractually, but it is something they use quite regularly themselves. I get very positive feedback on it, which is nice. The imagery is particularly clear. It's very useful, as I say, in terms of program and planning, and transport really like it. Yeah.
Fantastic. So we've got all the imagery, we've got it all loaded up to 12D Synergy. We're motoring away now with this project, concrete going through. Great to see you. Cheers.
Thanks, mate. Cheers.